title of this show is The Element.
I'm really excited to see all of it, the elements coming together.
I play percussion. Playing with dancers is something that's very new for me and I think very new for all of us, so we're all really excited.
It's great because we're using water to play actual instruments, so it's like one of the elements.
When we're dancing, we can feel the drums underneath our feet.
Playing the music with our friends, just being stationary, and then kind of seeing how that music is translated into movement.
Really so much meaning behind not only the pieces, but I'm really curious about what the audience is going to feel and how they're going to interpret everything.
We're already sort of connecting in that our music and the dance is just going along very well. And I think that it's just very exciting to be able to do something like this here.
Come and join us.